Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eyeshadow look. This is look number 3 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the James Charles Morphe palette. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look, just keep watching. So this is going to be look number 3. I have my brows on and I am priming with the new e.l.f. 16-hour concealer. Okay, so I just got that concealer blended out. I think this concealer is a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. I think it is a really great dupe. I also don't think it's as drying, which I think is really good because I do find Shape Tape to be really drying. Look at my crazy hair. I'm going to go ahead and take this Morphe R37, which is just a fluffy blending brush, and go into Canvas to kind of set that concealer and make sure I don't have any creases. So I just went really lightly over the top, not putting too much powder over it, so it still has a little bit of tackiness to it, but it's not gonna crease. This is ridiculous. I still sound sick, and it's been almost 3 weeks since everyone in my house initially got sick, and whatever this is, the cough and the sore throat will not go away. Also, let me know if you guys like me zooming in when I go to blend out the colors. I thought that I would try zooming in so you guys could see what I was doing. So let me know if you guys like that or not. I think that concealer makes such a good base before eyeshadow. It just cancels everything out. It looks so good. I am going to pick up Brother on that same brush and really tap that off. Really tap it off. And start blending that above the crease. Okay, so that color I blended out. I was very careful with it because I can't remember which blues, but I remember watching videos and one of them or a couple of them are pressed pigments. So I went very lightly, like I would tap in and then I would aggressively tap my brush off to get as much powder off, and I went in very lightly and just very carefully built and blended that color out. And it worked perfectly fine for me, so that one was fine. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe E17. It is a small fluffy brush, and I am going to pick up Single, and I am going to work that into the crease, lightly blending into the blue. Once I have that color blended out, I did the same exact thing, except for with the purple, I went in with a decent amount of product and I packed it on first and then blended it out. Purples are always hard to work with, and for me, that's the best way I usually can get them to work. Next, I'm gonna pick up the hot pink, which is Skip, on a small blending brush. This is the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush, and I am going to focus this on the inner corner and the outer corner, slightly blending it and leaving the center open for a halo effect. So I'm going to take that first brush and grab a little bit more of Brother and just bring a tiny bit more of that blue to the very tops, and then going in with that purple again, just really building up and blending each of the colors. I kind of can't decide what color I want to put in the middle. I think I'm going to take Hello because that is a beautiful icy blue. I have the blues on the outer edges, so I think that might look really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a packing brush. This is the Alamar packing brush, And I'm gonna grab my concealer brush. This is a Zorea medium shader brush. I love this for concealer and the e.l.f. concealer. I am gonna spray that with a setting spray. Blend over those edges to make everything look seamless. I'm gonna go put on liner, lashes, and I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back to finish up the eye look. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. I did film this face makeup. It is a foundation wear test and a first impressions on some new products that I've picked up. So if you wanna see that, it will be coming up next. So to finish off this eye look, I keep going back and forth on what I want to do on the lower lash line. I think I'm just gonna mimic it and go on the outer corner and the inner corner on this Luxie mini round brush. Go in with that hot pink, which is Skip, and blend that out. And I did smoke out that pink. And then I'm gonna go in with the purple really close to the waterline. So then with this Beige Cosmetics number 10 brush, I'm picking up Single right next to the waterline with that. And then going in with this Curie Cosmetics shading brush, picking up Brother and really tapping that off. I am just gonna add that to the very edges. I'm gonna take this LA Girl Shockwave. This is a neon eyeliner. It's new from them. This is in the shade Electric, I believe. It is this bright blue. I'm gonna put this on the waterline. Wow, that was really creamy, and that went on really easily. Yeah, that went on super quick and super easy. So then I am just gonna pick up Ring Light and put that right on the inner corner and under the arch of my brow. And just popping on mascara on the lower lash line. Okay guys, and this is the finished eye look. This is look number 3 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, highlighting the James Charles and Morphe palette. I really like how this eyeshadow look turned out. I thought that I would go more colorful because the last 2 looks were very orangey and warm toned, so I thought this would be a really fun look. I think it turned out really cool. I love these colors. Like I said, I was just very careful in building and blending and building and blending very lightly with very little product because these are so intense in pigmentation that is the easiest and best way I can get a pretty good blend on them. Like I said, I did film this face makeup, so that one will be coming up next if you want to see it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and you're excited for this series. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.